life is a series of choices. Tama ba yun? So life is a series of choices. And because it's a series of choices, then there are a lot of questions. Where do I go? What's next? If you are considering a new job or transferring to a new job, what job should I have? So if you believe that you are ready for a next season, so what's next? And then a question also worth considering is, shall I continue or shall I go to another direction? Should I hold on or should I let go? For those who are with school children, kasi enrollment na ba? Enrollment na naman. So, saan ko ipapasok ang aking mga anak? Last year, dito sa school na to. Yung mga college naman, considering ilang units kaya? Mag-aaral ba ako? Magtrabaho muna? Or ang daming questions, ano? Plenty of questions. And then, what happens sometimes, sa question natin, doubts begin to develop. So we have a warning here from the book of James. Sabi ni James, warning ito sa atin, kasi love tayo ni Lord. Ayaw niya na tayo ay ganito. Kasi sabi ni James, na-discover niya, ang kanyang encouragement sa atin is, let him ask in faith, with no doubting, for he who doubts is like a wave of the sea, driven and tossed by the wind. And then in verse 7, nandoon yung consequence of doubting. For let not that man suppose that he will receive anything from the Lord, for he is a double-minded man or woman, unstable in all his ways. So that's why this is very important. Kasi anong nangyayari, parang nahihila tayo sa iba-ibang direksyon. May direksyon na papunta doon, papunta dyan, papunta dito. Kaya indecision, ang nangyayari, indecision, doubting. At hindi matawaran yung tension na nag-create nito. So much tension that sometimes it can cause a stomach problem. Yung sinasabi nga, there are butterflies in my stomach, especially when you're about to be interviewed or applying for something na di mo alam kung ano mangyayari. Parang yung bituka mo, meron doon nagtatakbuhan ng mga daga, ano? O sa English, the butterflies in my stomach. Sa Tagalog kasi, dinadaga eh. Dinadaga ako. Medyo gross, pero sa English na lang. But there are butterflies in my stomach. Because tension is being created. You don't know what's going to happen. And then, finally, you made a decision. But then, after making a decision, you begin to second guess. Did I make the right decision? Paano kung mali pala ako at nasabi ko na? Nagpaalam na ako pero paano kung mali pala ako? So ang mangyayari, lalong tumatagal yung sama ng loob, ang sakit ng puso. Tama ba? Ako lang ba yun? Or sa matanda lang ba yun? O pati mga bata-bata? I believe lahat tayo, no? Lahat tayo. So what is the remedy? Kung sa medical field, what is the antidote? What is the prevention? How can we prevent arriving to that kind of place in our lives? Of course, the antidote or the remedy is to allow God to guide us, to lead us. Yun ang gusto kong i-consider ninyo ngayon. I-consider natin, would we allow God to lead us, to guide us?